गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों ने वक्त निकाला और आप यहाँ आए, और नए साल की शुभकामनाएं भी देना चाहूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं मिस्टर रॉनी स्क्रूवाला को शुक्रिया अदा देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत इनकरेज किया इस फिल्म को बनाने के लिए, और फिर उन्होंने इस प्रोजेक्ट और अपनी कंपनी को उनके सबसे बेहतरीन और होनहार एसोसिएट सिड रॉय कपूर के हाथ सौंपा, एंड हमने साथ में मिलकर इस फिल्म को बनाया है। कुछ 3 साल लग गए, बहुत मेहनत, बहुत जान लगा के इस फिल्म को हमने कंप्लीट किया, और 12 तारीख को रिलीज़ हो रही। मेरे साथ ये फिल्म बनाने वाले कुछ 150-200 जन काम करते हैं मेरे साथ। मैं इस वक्त तो मैं उन सब का नाम नहीं ले सकता, मगर उनमें से कुछ गिने चुने हैं जो मेरे बहुत करीब हैं। उनमें से कुछ लोगों ने मेरे साथ मेरी पहली रॉक ऑन, कायपोचे और अब फितूर पे भी काम किया है, और एक हैं सुप्रतीक सेन जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को लिखा है। उन्होंने मेरे साथ कायपोचे में भी काम किया था, और हम दोनों मतलब पागल हो गए थे फिल्म को लिखते लिखते, मतलब 1.5 साल लग गया था। अनय गोस्वामी जिन्होंने मेरे साथ ये फिल्म शूट की है, और उन्होंने कायपोचे भी शूट की थी। वो एक परफेक्शनिस्ट हैं, वो एक जेंटलमैन है, और ही इज़ ऑलवेज गॉट माई बैक एंड आई ट्रस्ट हिम इम्प्लिसिटली। हम बहुत लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, मगर उनके बगैर ये फिल्म नहीं बन सकती थी। एंड दीपा भाटिया हैं जिन्होंने मेरी तीनों फिल्में एडिट की हैं, रॉक ऑन, कायपोचे और फितूर। एंड she watches my movie like a hawk, and once I finish shooting it, the movie is her baby, and she would do everything to make sure that this movie is cut absolutely right. And then there's Amit Trivedi, who's done the music, and Swanand Kirkare, who's done the lyrics. So these are key people that I want to thank, and everybody else on my crew and unit. You know who you are when you hear about it. I think we're ready to show you the trailer. I hope you enjoy it.
अभिषेक, आपके राइट, ये दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, ये क्या वजह है इस पूरे ट्रेलर में, अगर आप बताना चाहें अभिषेक?
ये तो आप एक्चुअली फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। इसके बारे में अभी मैं क्या बताऊं आपको।
फिर भी कुछ तो वजह होगी, 2 बार ट्रेलर में।
2 बार नहीं, ट्रेलर आपने 2 बार देखा है, आया एक ही बार है।
My question is to all the actors of the film. This side, to your right, on the front seat. Yeah, me here.
There you are.
How tough is it to portray such full of passion characters, and what preparation you went through?
I think it really helps if you believe in love that way, and that's the way that I see love. I think that love is life and love is passion, and inherently I believe that. So for me, I think with that belief, you have that conviction. And then of course, got to somebody who I've known for a very long time, and I was really excited when I got the script to work with him, and I think it took us a few days, but then after that, I think we just really connected, and everyone was on the same page and understood each other really well.
So are you a die-hard romantic? Is this going to come out from this film?
I hope it comes out from the film.
Yeah.
That's definitely the intention. Yeah, I think definitely, I think we all are die-hard romantics. I'm definitely one. And this story, for me, was always one of my favorite stories. Of course, I'm sure you've realized it's inspired from Great Expectations. And it's always been one of my favorite stories. I think it's been one of the most romantic stories that there are in literature.
आदित्य, उर्दू अल्फाज काफ़ी यूज़ किए गए हैं, तो ज़रा उसकी तैयारी किस तरीके से की आपने, ज़रा बता दें।
Actually, the language that I'm using in the film is not that tough. Here and there, a few words here and there, which I kind of struggle with. But I did a few classes, and my Hindi is not that bad.
Katrina, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि be it Fitur or your upcoming movie with Siddharth Malhotra, you are romancing with juniors. So what do you want to say about this new phase of your career?
Juniors. Does that mean that he should be addressing me as Katrina G? I think he should start.
Huh? Anji?
See, he's not even listening. See, he's my junior, but he's not even listening. Actually, let me tell you a little secret. So I think me and Adi is my senior. We've been through this many times in the film. He's actually my senior. And I think about, is it 11 years ago? About 11 years ago, me and Adi have done an ad film together.
Sure. Tabuji, you're playing Miss Havisham, which is, I think, a very interesting character as far as literature is concerned. You've played such roles in the past in terms of Macbeth, and you've done Heather as far as... now, how is your process like when you're given such roles which have a lot of layers to it? They're excellent characters in their own way with their complexes and all these things. How is your approach like for something like Miss Havisham and other characters that you've done?
In this film, I had 2 days to get into this film and this character. So I really don't know what the process was or if there was any process. I just went into it with just some really confused head about, and because we were shooting the last scenes first. So I was just trusting my director, Gattu, and since I've known him since we were 16, I knew I could just trust him. And I don't know, I guess there is some internal process which I cannot describe, but I think it happens as we go in the film. And like Gattu always says, film mein to bante bante banti hai.
कटरीना, आपसे सवाल है कि ये इश्क नहीं है आसान जो टैगलाइन है, आपकी जिंदगी में कितना इश्क आसान है और नहीं आसान है?
It was just like hit me for a moment. I think that never a truer line has been spoken. No, it's.
I agree with that.
It's just not.
It's not
just
easy.
Not
It's
easy.
easy. What can you do?
It's not easy. But even though it's not easy, I think it also can be the most beautiful thing. And I guess that's why so many movies are made on love, because it is so complex. It's so hard to understand. We don't understand it. So I think it's a very, very apt line that our director has chosen.
Amrita, yeah, Tamasha was also a romantic flick, and this one is also, Fitur is also a romantic flick. Are you going to promote it the same way you promoted Tamasha?
Not really, because every film is different, and Tamasha was a different film, this is a different film, and we'll do fun things in this film promotion as well. But yeah, I don't think you can compare two movies. I know what your question is, but I don't want to answer it. So
there were reports that Ajay Devgan would be playing a cameo in the movie. Is it true? Is it not true? Anything that you would like to say?
I wouldn't comment on that either.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina, on that day.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It was great knowing you. Bye bye.
This holiday she is definitely taking.
Feb 14th, I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mahatma was promoting.
Feb 12th को film लगेगी. Feb 14th को इनके घर के बाहर line लग जाएगी लड़कियों की, तो you should not have a problem at all.
No, that's a good idea.
This question is to all the members of the cast.
Katrina, hi. What's with the red hair?
Last question.
You have red hair, Tabu has red hair in the film.
So the connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously, it's meant, I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that, like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gattu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's film Kashmir is a backdrop, and कश्मीर की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं, और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and the beautiful ladies in the movie.
Abhishek, we've seen in the recent past that Heather had Kashmir as one of its backdrops, and we're seeing some sort of element of Kashmir in Fitur as well. Are you foreseeing any sort of, and Heather has had a lot of opposition and it won a lot of praise as well. So do you see that maybe in terms of opinions, maybe there that...
No, I don't see any similarity whatsoever in this movie and Heather. I mean,
I'm saying in terms of backdrop of in a way, Kashmir in a way.
No, I mean, even Kabhi Kabhi is shot in Kashmir. So is there any similarity?
Conflict in Kashmir.
No, there's absolutely zero similarity between Heather and Fitur. Other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. Yeah. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story. And it's about heartbreak. It's about, absolutely no similarities.
Thank you so much. Thank you.